Ia, whatala whatala pa ia mana maro lo mai mo me le nei tu la o le aso. Ta fe fia le nei lau langi. Ia, e mo i malai so whamtalanga e so la le alofa ma le anga le o le tato tapa o sili. Ilo na pole tō mana na pole whaso i fua. O le ua mawhaina tato of sili wha e nei tai au fō. Ia, te e melo tō so i fua wha pesa ma tō la vai vai. Ia, no mo lea wanoa, tato toi wha aso ai ma tatala noa initial mata o nanga nei le Blue Wave. Ia, maa lo le whai le favor, maa lo le tō atai, maa lo le pale, maa lo le msai. Ia, ona le tō tele fo tangata le ofisili mai ioi, o le o tato move mai le tato whale fōu i nei Manukau. Ia, vi ia lawa le ali. Sa tō mata le ete matu ofisili wha ali o wa o tau tai, le nei wha moi moi, sa whau au, whau pō, e le i whengo fie, e le i whengo fie le sawaringa, e tele lava lui tau ma whai tau. Ai vi ia lava le li o tini pa o le uto pe upo whai vai vai, o tau lau wha moi moi. Ia, o le vi inga te wha fwoi le li. Ia, manua mau whai taimi, a whia whai nei awanua e mo le tau whaftai, i reo whenga ringa pa ia le tua, so se whata whai tau langa mau tau whai tua, a inga mau wō wha apea tato au lango lango le Blue Wave, wha apea tato pā anga, whaftai. Whaftai mau tō talasanga, whaftai mau tō titi whaitama, whaftai i anga whatamari, maanga whaatupu, whaftai le whai a inga le lei, ma le whai wō le lei, ona se no o tō pi hama mai e le tau nu le wha moi moi i o le tō pule lea. Just wanted to take a moment to reflect on the previous weeks since our last video. So we've officially now moved from 28D Lambie Drive, Papatoetoe, here to 15 Osterley Way in Manukau. I want to give a shout out to the team, to my staff for all the hard work of moving the stuff from the old building to the new building, my roll of tight. There's still plenty of work ahead, closing up the old premises and setting up the new one. And you know, so part of the journey as well, because as an entrepreneur, as a business person, you know, the road is never straight. There's a lot of ups and downs, the pressure, the uncertainty that can really make you question your life choices. But you know, the truth is, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, because not every business is born equal. And I believe that some inherit legacy, some inherit capital, and others are built from nothing but faith, courage, and conviction. And that's where I want to focus today, is on faith and having faith in the foundation of your business. Because without faith in God, there is no amount of strategy or plan or structure that will hold the business when storm comes. E pe upo tu spa ia a whai ele whausehinga whale, e whenga ruenga fuala to e whausehina. Psalms 127 verse 1, unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the guards stand watch in vain. And that's really the theme I wanted to share today. It's about faith and faith in God, and including having God in every business decision that you make. In our business, and here at Blue Wave, faith plays a big part. God gives provision, opportunities, and he also puts people in your life that will help you build, especially when you're building from the ground up. Faith keeps you grounded. It keeps you standing when the ground shakes. It gives you peace when things don't go as planned. Faith also reminds you that what you're building has a purpose that is beyond profit. Yeah, so we also just had our office blessing, which was small, and it was just our staff, and it was blessed by Reverend Tolefor Larry Tupai, one of our board members and shareholders. So we've officially started work this week, and I just want to also highlight one of our departments called BluTech. Now, BluTech is the heartbeat of our technology services, the team that keeps businesses connected, efficient, and ready for the future. Whether you're just starting out or you're growing fast, BluTech can help set up your IT systems, your cabling, and your networks, and build websites, mobile apps, and many more digital platforms that can bring your business to life. If your business needs to modernize digitally, automate, or simply get online, BluTech is where you start. We don't just build tech, we build the confidence. We make it easier for you to focus on what you need to do and what you do best, while we handle the system that helps you grow. Because at Blue Wave, we believe innovation isn't just for the big companies and the big names. We believe it's for every Pacific businesses, small business, with a dream and the courage to move forward. So if you're ready to take your business digital, reach out to us at Blue Wave. Visit us at www.bluewave.co.nz or message us here. You can message on my page, or you can message our Facebook pages, whatever social media platform that you have in front of you. Drop a line and let us know that you need help. To anyone who's building something out there, whether you're building a business or a dream or your own personal growth, remember, before you build higher, make sure your foundation is deep. Faith doesn't always take the hard days, but it gives you the strength to face them. Yeah, from Manukau to Neaso, to all the business people out there, I wish you all the best. For watching. And yeah, be really good to share your experiences and your thoughts. Just comment below or message me. Be nice to have this talent. Until next time, God bless.